Myself, Arvind Kumar Dubey, teacher of English in Government Girls High Secondary School, Nagaon, Chhatarpur, MP. Students, today I am going to teach you adverbial clause of condition. Usage of if, comma, unless. So today I will teach you usage of unless. See on board. Adverb oblique adverbial clause of condition. Connective conjunction linking device. Today I am taking unless. Unless means if not. Complex sentence. Structure number 1. Main clause or principal clause or independent clause plus connective plus connective here. Today I will take unless plus subordinate clause. Subordinate clause or dependent clause. This is structure number 1. You can make like this also. Here, connective plus subordinate clause. Connective plus subordinate clause. Here, comma is used to separate main clause. Main clause. Usage of unless. Unless means if not. See here, if and not. It gives negative signs. So I repeat again, unless means if not, it gives a negative sense. So in the clause where unless is used, need not make negative. Example, I shall come tomorrow. I shall come tomorrow. There is not lockdown due to COVID-19. Due to COVID-19. So one step, I shall come tomorrow if there is not lockdown due to COVID-19. So first of all, I have used here if. So see, main clause is in future tense and if clause is in present tense. Now we are going to use unless in place of if. So see, we have to make both side negative. So here I shall come tomorrow. I shall come tomorrow unless here if and not. Unless there is lockdown due to COVID-19. Here negative aspect is given. Negative aspect is given. If negative aspect is not given, then we have to make both sides negative in main clause and in subordinate clause. See example. Tanvi will pass. Tanvi will pass. It is in future tense. Tanvi works hard. It is in present tense. S or es is added here. So first of all, I am going to use if Tanvi will pass. If here is connective. If she works hard. It is main clause, if, connective and subordinate clause. Step number 1. By making both sides negative. First step, we have to make both sides negative. So, Tanvi will not, in short, won't. Tanvi won't pass. If here also negative, she does not work hard. Step number 2. In place of if not, unless is used. So I am putting here if and not, tense helping verb also correction. So Tanvi Tanvi won't या negative. Tanvi won't pass unless C does is omitted and S is added in main verb, unless she works hard. So today I have taught you usage of unless in place of a thanks, see you tomorrow.